In this video, we are going to talk about why Tesla are building gigafactories. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for future updates. A response to demand. Tesla sought to show that electric vehicles could be beautiful, high quality, and ecologically beneficial when they first appeared on the scene with their electric vehicles. The response was virtually overwhelming, and demand for the Model 3 in particular soared. The demand for the Model 3 has escalated to the point where waiting times for one can be as long as 3 months or longer. And, by all accounts, demand isn't about to taper down anytime soon. Elon Musk unveiled the Tesla Cybertruck in November 2019, and the vehicle has already surpassed 1 million pre-orders. Tesla, of course, required a solution that would allow for speedier vehicle manufacturing. This is where the Tesla Gigafactory enters the picture. This Tesla facility has the machinery, space, and technology required to produce the company's products. This includes electric vehicles, lithium-ion battery cells, solar panels, and a variety of other products. The Gigafactory enables for speedier production and removes the additional costs of shipping parts to numerous assembly locations. According to Tesla's website, the Gigafactory will lower the cost of electric vehicle batteries, lowering the cost of Tesla cars as well. As a result, more individuals will be able to buy a Tesla vehicle, driving demand even higher. More ground to cover. While the Tesla Gigafactory concept is intriguing, the firm still has a long way to go before it can become a reality. Tesla's Nevada Gigafactory was the first to begin construction. The vast facility has approximately 2 million square feet of floor area, but it is still not fully utilized. Currently, this Gigafactory does not create any Model 3s, at least not in their whole. Instead, the facility focuses on producing Model 3 motors. The motors are then shipped to the Tesla facility in Fremont, where the vehicles are finished. That isn't to imply the Nevada factory is finished. In fact, the Gigafactory looks to be operating at only about 30% of its full capacity. The facility also produces Model 3 battery packs and energy storage items like the Power Pack and Powerwall, in addition to the Model 3 motors. The Gigafactory will expand over time, hopefully realizing Elon Musk's aim of perfect vertical integration for all Tesla goods. The goal is to become completely self-sufficient, allowing the company to produce things at a faster rate and fulfill increasing demand. There's still a long way to go until Musk's vision becomes a reality. But with technological breakthroughs, that should all change very soon. Current and upcoming Tesla Gigafactories. It would be an understatement to say that Tesla has big intentions for its Gigafactory concept. It won't be long before we see factories like this all throughout the planet. The groundwork has been done, so to speak, and the potential is obvious. Learn about the current Gigafactories that are operational, those that are in the planning stages, and where new ones may be built in the future. Nevada, Giga. As previously stated, Tesla already operates a Gigafactory in Nevada. It's in Sparks, Nevada, about an hour outside of Reno. The factory has been operational since 2016 and is still expanding. Tesla promised when it originally launched that it would create more than 6,000 employment and contribute more than $100 billion to the local economy. Tesla also stated that the factory would produce 35 gigawatt-hours of battery capacity. So far, it appears that Tesla has kept its promises, including hiring over 7,000 workers on site. The plant is expected to develop further. There are rumors that Tesla wants to relocate some of their semi-production to their Nevada facility. Tesla isn't even using the entire plant yet, as portion of it is leased to other firms such as Panasonic. One can't help but be enthralled by the prospect of seeing the Gigafactory when it's finished. Giga New York. Buffalo, New York is home to the other fully operational Gigafactory in the United States. Unlike the other Gigafactories Tesla has constructed or plans to build, this one has a more focused mission. Tesla's 1.2 million square foot facility is dedicated solely to solar energy goods. There are no electric vehicles in this area. Their solar energy products were first produced in 2017, with a focus on solar cells. Years later, Tesla expanded their manufacturing lines to include components for energy storage systems. In comparison to the others, this Gigafactory appears to be on a smaller size. Before switching over to Tesla's unique products, the building was home to a steel manufacturing company. Tesla intends to employ more than 5,000 people in New York over the next 10 years. Buffalo may become a hub for sustainable energy generation, according to the company. Giga Shanghai. Many people consider the Shanghai Tesla Gigafactory to be the pinnacle of Elon Musk's concept. Tesla built the factory in just 168 days, thanks to a lack of red tape in China and less environmental concerns. Tesla produced around 4,000 Model 3s per week when production began in Giga Shanghai in 2020. Tesla has nearly doubled its production level in the last year, indicating that the Gigafactory targets are feasible. Tesla believes it will be able to produce 450,000 automobiles per year in Giga Shanghai. For the time being, the manufacturing has proven to be quite effective in meeting demand. In fact, Tesla has claimed that the Gigafactory's output might lead to finished automobiles being sent to Europe to meet demand. The corporation is pleased with the findings from China, and it intends to establish a research and development center there. Giga Berlin. The Gigafactory in Berlin has experienced its fair share of setbacks. The facility was supposed to be finished in the summer of 2021, however, there have been some delays since then. Much of the blame, according to Elon Musk, is due to bureaucratic difficulties with the German government. Many of the snags are due to environmental regulations. Given the factory's proximity to a nature preserve, many residents in the neighborhood are understandably concerned about the environmental effects. Even if it is an electric vehicle manufacturing plant, those delays may be coming to an end shortly. Musk said at a dinner party attended by 900 people that vehicles will start rolling out of the factory in November 2021, indicating that production is already begun. Although Tesla has not finished construction, the plant can still make Tesla goods. The Tesla Model Y will be produced at this Gigafactory, which will be the first in Europe. It is expected to be completed in April 2022, while more work and development will most likely take place after that. Tesla has already submitted plans for a Tesla battery manufacturing close to the Gigafactory, indicating that the company's future in Europe is bright. Takeaways from the Tesla Gigafactory idea. It's easy to get caught up in the enormity of the Tesla Gigafactory when staring at it. Yes, the factory is enormous, but it stands for much more than that. If anything, the concept highlights manufacturing and production advancements not seen in decades. Here are some of the most important lessons learned from Tesla's Gigafactories. Number 1. Vertical integration. The dream of every corporation is to keep everything in-house. Vertical integration aims to achieve this. You have better control over product quality and cost when you have complete control over the manufacturing process. It also saves businesses money by reducing the amount of money they would have spent on external resources and clients. The Gigafactory gives Tesla complete control over everything and allows it to make adjustments quickly and easily. Number 2. First principles thinking in action. Engaging in first principles thinking is part of Elon Musk's leadership style. The key to this mode of thinking is to question why, all of the time. It's a case of deconstructing what many people believe to be true. It doesn't have to be that way just because something is the status quo. The Tesla Gigafactory questions why a tried-and-true procedure is carried out in a certain way. Working backwards with first principles thinking allows you to design new and better systems. The end product can be something as bizarre as a factory with enough floor space to accommodate over 100 football fields. Number 3. Innovating for the customer. The customer's potential for innovation is perhaps the most essential learning from the Gigafactory. Price reductions are one way that customers might benefit. Many of the contemporary comforts that we take for granted today would have been costly only a few decades ago. The same may be said about Tesla vehicles if the firm follows through on its Gigafactory commitments. Consider what could happen if Model 3s, YS, and other future vehicles become cheap to the average customer. The demand is there, but the company is unable to provide it. The Gigafactory may be able to overcome this challenge, giving Tesla more breathing room and allowing them to reach a wider audience. If they can address this problem, they will be able to develop new goods with the potential to change the world. Their present projects enable them to advance in their innovation agenda, while also transforming adjacent industries. Do you want to add something? Let us know in the comment box below. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you.